Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Jazzy J. If you've never been to my channel, welcome to my channel. I appreciate all of your support. I am the sole owner and stylist of Hair by Jazzy J, and we just launched our new hair collection, Essentially Jazzed. So you can go ahead and check our website out at essentiallyjazzed.com. I'll go ahead and drop the link below. Right now, what we're going to go ahead and do is I'm going to show you how to measure your head for the custom wigs that I do make. So the first and foremost thing for you to get proper measurements is you want your hair to be as flat as possible. So as you can see, I kind of have some ghetto ratchet braids on my head. They don't matter because nobody's going to see them, but you want it to be as flat as possible. You want it to get out of your way. If you can't braid your hair, fine, pull it back in a ponytail. If you can do 2 quick braids, but try to get your hair as flat as possible to get the most accurate readings. So what we need is I need 4 different measurements from you. I need from ear to ear, so going across. I need from front to back. I need from the side to side on your nape. And then I need all the way around to get the proper measurement. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how to go ahead and do that. We are going to go ahead and use your typical tape measure. I got this tape measure from the dollar store, so you don't need to get anything super expensive if you want to have this. Cost me $1. So what we're going to go ahead and do is measure from ear to ear first so I can get the front part of my measurement, and I'll show you how to do that. So we're going to want to start where the little metal tab is at, and we're going to go ahead and put it here to line up with your ear, and then you want to drape it across, so you don't want it too far forward or too far back, and then you want it to end right about here. So you'll go ahead and pinch off right where it ends at. Take a look. So I'm at about 12.5. Okay, so that is my front measurement. Then now I'm going to go ahead and do the back measurement. So hopefully you can see. So we're going to go ahead and go from here to here. So I'm going to start like right behind my ear, right about here. And then go right about here. Pinch that off. All right, so the back of my head is about an 8. And then I'm going to go ahead and do front to back. So you want to start where your hairline is at. Start about there and go straight down the middle. Straight down the middle and end it where your nape is, like the very end of your nape, or where your kitchen is at, if that's more of a familiar term for you. The kitchen, go ahead and get it right back to here. Pinch it off. So I'm at about 14.5. Going straight back. And then finally, you want to go ahead and go all the way around. Now with this one, you don't want to pull it too tight because you don't want your wig to fit too tight. Now we always have those girls that know I need it to fit as tight as possible because I don't want to have to use glue, blah, blah, blah. Boo. Don't do that, because then you're going to be mad and then you're going to come for me talking about your wig was too small. So please make sure you leave a little bit of leeway when you do this. So I start like right in the middle, and then you want to go ahead and wrap it around. You want tension, but you don't want too much tension. Like you don't want to pull this on your head because then your wig is definitely not going to fit. So you're going to bring this around right to where that ends at. Now, with the back of my head being an 8 and then across the top being about a 12.5, I know my head measurement should be roughly around 21 inches. So your head measurement around, you'll know you did it right, is if you get around 21, 22, or 23 inches. Anything bigger than that, there's a possibility you did it wrong, and I would recommend doing it again before sending me the measurements. So we're going to go ahead and end it here. Pinch it off. And like I said, I'm at about a 21.5. So with those measurements, all of these are in inches. So you want to send those measurements to me in the notes section of the checkout area. If you have any questions or concerns on how to measure, or if you would like me to show you one-on-one how to measure your head, I'd be more than happy to do so. If you're local, I can measure your head myself. So that way I know I can trust my own measurements. But it's not hard. It takes, as you can see, it took a few minutes to do. I did this all real time. I haven't sped it up. I haven't slowed it down or anything like that. That's really what you need to get the proper fitting for your wig. Without those measurements, there's a possibility your wig could be too big, too small, just not what you want. But make sure you get those measurements, send them in the notes section, or you can email them to me at hairbyjazzyj.com. I'll also drop my email down below. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions or if there's any other tutorial videos you'd like to see, please go ahead and like, subscribe, and comment below, and go ahead and check that bell so that way you stay up to date on the latest and greatest. Thank you for tuning in with me. I hope you have a great day.